will show you how I got this on if you want to wear just the jacket. Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Ann and today I am doing a Trendsend unboxing. I have it here already unboxed. This box was really big and really heavy, and I thought there must be shoes or maybe even boots in it. But there were neither of those, but just a lot of sweaters and heavier clothes. So let's get right to the unboxing part, which has already been done. First, we're going to start with the Bree Straight-leg jeans by Edwin in washed black. And I've never heard of Edwin. There's the front, and they're just straight-legged, and they've got the raw hem and the pockets. And then this is the Moira Turtleneck Pullover by Evereve in cocoa. And it's cute. It's a pretty color. It's a pink, kind of a pinkish brown. Okay, the next outfit they put together was this Ruffle Raglan denim top by Cloth & Stone in light meadow wash. I think this looks interesting. Never say never, but at first glance, this is not me at all. It's got the ruffle collar, has real buttons, and then it has elastic sleeves. We'll see about that one. Next is the quarter zip pullover by 525 in cream. I think this is really pretty. Here's the neck. There's the, and it's got the ribbed bottom. Next is the Day Tripper Jogger by Sanctuary. These are a bit more dressy. I thought they were dress pants at first. It has pockets in the back, has a elastic waist, and it is 100% recycled polyester. And then the contrast is 98% polyester and 2% spandex. I guess that's the contrast. But these are very cute. And then this is the Dannie Stripe Slub Top by Z Supply. It's got the V-neck, long sleeves. And then last, this is very interesting, and this is Francis Avenue Blazer by Evereve. And this is a blazer, very heavy, but it's got a blazer with an attached, it's sweatshirt, but it's attached by a zipper, and you can take off this piece, and it has the hood, but this is just like a dickie. But it's just like a sweatshirt. But anyway, this should be interesting. So let me go try it on and let's see what we think. Okay, this is the first outfit they put together, and it is the Bree Straight jeans by Edwin and the Moira turtleneck pullover in cocoa, size extra small and size 27. And I like the wash on the jeans. They're super comfortable, super comfortable. Two pockets in the back. And then this, really warm right now. I think this is really pretty. It reads in the kind of the reddish, purplish, pinkish shade of brown. So I just put it with these burgundy booties. And not too long, not too short. I like both of these. I'll be back with the next one. All right, this next outfit they put together is the Ruffle Raglan denim top by Cloth & Stone in light meadow wash, and this is not doing a thing for me at all. And I really would like a really cute denim top, but this is not it. Also, I forgot to show you this Adalyn Geo pendant necklace by Evereve in gold. There you look, see? I don't really like these sleeves. I don't like where this, I just don't like this one. All right, these are the Day Tripper joggers by Sanctuary, size extra small. This is the quarter zip pullover by 525 in cream. And then I still have on the pendant. I like the joggers because I love joggers. These are definitely a little more dressy. They have pockets in the front, which I didn't realize. Pretty deep pockets. Got the elastic waist. And then the pockets in the back are not working pockets. But these are very cute. This sweater, I really like this. I think this is really, really pretty and it feels really good. Again, it's really hot right now. In the back, which I think is really cute. It wants to pull it back, and then it has the zipper. Feels really good. I like it. All right, one last thing is going to be interesting. Okay, this is not the last thing. I forgot about this, even though this is one of my favorite kind of things. This is the Dannie striped slub top by Z Supply. I like this top. I really like it with these joggers. It's got the little bit of a poofy sleeve, V-neck. This is my kind of transitional piece. And I like stripes. I'm going to go try on the last piece and I will be right back. This is the final outfit and it is the joggers. I have on the slub top and then this is the France Avenue blazer by Evereve. I think it's a really interesting combination. They say if you want to just go casual, leave the little jacket inside. It's a little roomy on me, a little too. I would like it to be a little more fitted, so I don't think it fits me, but I will show you how I got this on. So you unbutton, there's one button, and you unzip this all the way down. It does have a pretty lining, and also this comes completely off if you want to wear just the jacket. So it unzips all the way down, and here we go. So this unzips, and then this unzips all the way, and then the hoodie comes off as well. So you could wear this just as a blazer without the hoodie. It's just not as fitted as I like my blazers. But let me look at that. Oh, okay. And the hoodie, the way you would get it off, it just has these little buttons. So that's how that would come off. All right, I'll be right back with a really quick wrap up. I'll tell you what I am considering. I'm probably going to keep this. Trendsend's getting really tricky with their price sheet. I can't find it. Last time I found it underneath the return envelope. When I was getting ready to send them back, I had to look everything up on. I can't find the prices, but I will have found the prices by the time you see this, and I will have put them on the try-on. But I will consider these. I want to find my pair that I just got and see how they compare, but I like these. They fit really nicely. They were very comfortable. I really like this sweater. I will think about this. This is a definite no. I like this. This is probably a no though, but I think it's really cute. And then this, which right now it's kind of a tangled up mess. This is a no. Maybe a different size, a smaller size, maybe it might be cute on me, but I really can't see me wearing something like this. But let me know what you think. I'm sorry, this is crooked. Thanks for watching, y'all. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and subscribe. I will see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.